students pa ilahan nila sa finish beginners workshop or beginners course workshop. So, kamo, sa pagbibuhat, doon na kasi mga gwapa na mga OJT. So, pwede ka sa doon so kaya ng mga flyers. And if you want more inquiries, just contact Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy number.
Today, 0923-731-3349 and the Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy's hotline number. And also you can visit our fan page on Facebook, that is Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy. Today, let's go ahead and recognize our performers. Let's start with the beginners. That means these are the students that finished 12 sessions. Let's go first to this beautiful little lady completing 12 sessions of dance workshop at the Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy. Let's give a round of applause to Aliyah Bantige. Let me also call on the next gen artist club members to be here with us on stage.
Aliyah.
And congratulations. Let's take another picture. Okay, malati ay wala smile. Alright, next, thank you so much. Congratulations to the ballet. Okay. Dali lang guys. Certificate of recognition is given to Princess Chamber Mettes for completing 12 sessions of voice with stage performance.
Wow, a round of applause, please, everybody.
Congratulations. Congratulations to you. Chicken suggestion. Yan. Okay.
Uy, Bibi, alam mo ka din sa stage, ha?
Upang sa problema. Uy,
Grabe.
kaya kung ito tawag, gusto rin pilihan niya ka na mukanta may ito sa song, ipanyak ka mo ang patiwasong sa sunod nga nain. Okay ra?
Sige.
Okay ra?
Oh, okay lang.
Okay,
Sige.
okay, next is, we're completing 12 sessions of voice with stage performance. Let's give a round of applause to Jai Sabadal.
Jai.
Right, picture. Thank you very much. Congratulations for completing 12 sessions of voice with stage performance to Chris Harold Garita. A round of applause, please. Picture. Next is this guy completing 12 sessions of voice with stage performance. Give a round of applause to Eric Anthony Cortez. And picture. Thank you very much. Congratulations once again to our next generation artist club performers. Let's start with, for joining season 128, Joe M. Dakila. A round of applause, please.
Picture.
Thank you very much. We're joining season 128 to our next generation artist club member, Carmela Gonzalez. Congratulations to Ashley J. Bangolo.
Come on here, Ashley.
Very good girl. Alright. To you, Oliver Ribahinting.
Come on here, you bully.
Nood na ang music mo. Congratulations to Zia Pahayahay, a round of applause, please.
Dia, kani siya, lisod kay pahayahay man siya.
Picture. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dia. Sila ka naman ng Dia.
To Caitlin San Emilio, a round of applause, please.
From here, Caitlin.
Now let's go to recognizing our on-the-job trainees here at the Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Society.
Nauman na dun sila.
Kung sa kadugay-dugay, bitaw na humanag yun nilang hours.
Asa ka ng ACLC?
Highway Makikay.
Magikay. Highway Magikay. Shout out kay Ama Computer Learning College. Tama? Learning Center, sorry.
Okay. Let's give a round of applause to our on-the-job trainees here at the Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy, and they're from the school ACLC, right? Okay lang na. Let's give a round of applause. Dili tapos para mag-linya sila.
Para na sila sumakal.
Mika, dili kami. Ito na assistant na ako ganyan. Assistant na. Yan. Ihatag sa certificate dito na yung linya ha. Ano na, para na mag-linya ka usa, alright?